One, two, three. Go. 7. Happy New Year, 7.
Happy New Year, 1997.
Happy New Year, 1997.
Chad, baby, it is Chevy.
Yes,
How you doing, my brother?
I'm doing good. I'm happy that we made it so far in the week.
Yeah, Chad, what a morning for me so far. Obviously, running around to apologize for having to schedule the stream 15 minutes later, but I unfortunately had to get some things done. But we are here. We are blessed to be here. If you woke up this morning, just know that you're already a winner. Believe it or not, you are here. And yeah, Chad, it is Friday. We still have 2 sessions left for the week. Do you think it is going to be a cracker of an end to the week? Believe it or not, I think there's a lot of volume. Short week for us, short week in general, being a bank holiday on Tuesday. Was it Tuesday, Jeff? Tuesday was a Tuesday or Wednesday? Juneteenth.
I really can't even remember now.
JV, how's your week been, trading wise?
I've been very, very slow.
Okay.
Down for the week.
Okay.
Down for the week.
Okay.
Your side?
No. I think I took one trade, -9 pips, if I'm not mistaken. Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday.
Nah.
Other than that, everything has been very, very elusive on my side. But yeah.
I would say the market over the past 2 months, it's been, I wouldn't say slow, but it's just been, I wouldn't say choppy either, but it's weird to describe how the market's been moving the last 2 months.
Until don't stress, brother. I did not forget about you and your birthday. It has just been very hectic. Last night only got home at round about, I think, 7:30, and then it was spending some time with the family, all of that. So I am gonna get to you. Don't stress, my brother. I do. What is the stream move to 8:45, Chad? That may not reschedule it. Oh, it was scheduled for 8. Okay. Let's just start the poll here. Have you smashed the like button? That is the big question today. Have you smashed that like button? Beautiful. Okay. Before we start, as always, we always want to start off the day right. We always want to start the day off with the Father's blessing. And you guys know that the Bible says if you do not know how to pray, very simple, pray this prayer: Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Amen. If you believe that, you can just drop an amen. If you don't believe it, yeah, it is what it is. But
do you guys want to know a fun fact about Our Father?
Yeah.
So most people pray backwards. They usually only come to God, and then they would come asking for something and then praise Him. But Our Father, we firstly acknowledge God, we give all praise to Him, then only we ask for what we want, and we say thank you.
Beautiful.
So, yeah.
Beautiful. Chad, there you have it. We're going to get straight into Audio good. Audio good. A lot of amens. Thank you so much, guys. Audio good. Just let me know if the audio is solid. Chad, economic calendar for this morning. We've had some pound retail data coming out, not at 6. I think it was at 8. Let me just get the time zones right here. That's one thing with time zones. All right, it was at 8. Okay, so coming out relatively hot. I'm going to be very honest. Retail sales month on month really came out very solid out of Britain. So obviously guys are spending some money there in Britannia. And then we've got some data. Again, today, big day, a lot of PMIs. I think it's going to give us a lot of cues as to what's going to happen with the reserve banks and central banks across Europe, across the United States. Even get some cues for what's going to happen in South Africa. So keep an eye out for that. Lock, stock and barrel, a big chunk of data throughout the morning. So we're going to get right into the thick of things. And then later this afternoon, 15:45, 15 minutes after the open, we've got PMIs and services, global services PMIs, manufacturing and services. So we've got some beautiful volume on deck. So I hope you guys are ready. Over to the dollar index. Let's get cracking here on a technical time frame. Yesterday I was still neutral to bullish. I was bullish on the week. I still told you guys we're trading in between these two ranges. And Wednesday's daily candle was an inside day, and that is when I said we need to see where we break out. So I'm bullish on the day, Chad. I've been bullish for the week on the dollar index. So obviously a very late push on the dollar. You can see here, took all that time to create a bottom wick, and now I think we are ready to drive today on the dollar index. So let's see where we are. Let's see how we can take advantage of this dollar strength going into the session. All right, so pivot down here. We've got a key level up there, and I want to say very simple for me. I want to see Asia highs being taken, yesterday's high being taken. Let me just show you guys here. Yesterday's high, check here. That zone right there, that was yesterday's high. And I want to see us break through this level, and I want to see us hold above. And at that stage, we are going to look for some buys. Otherwise, if we start rejecting there, which I doubt, we can start trading down. But I am bullish on that. I want to see some nice bullish movements to the upside. US30 on the daily. Let's just check here. What do we have yesterday? Okay. Very weird, Chad. I'm going to be very honest with you. We spoke about this level at the start of the week. What did I say? Monthly pivot down here. We already took that liquidity. I said if we're going to push down, there's no need for us to come back up here again unless we doubled up, which I doubt as well. Monthly pivot, what did I say? If we hold above the monthly pivot, very likely we're going to end off the monthly candle bullish. So if you look at the monthly candle has now flipped bullish. So 10 to 1, we could go and fill last month's high. So very odd that the dollar is looking bullish, US30 is looking bullish, but yeah, let's see. So I'm bullish for the day. Believe it or not, was bearish on the week, flipped into a bull. Can you believe it? Might as well call me Chris Market Bull, but anyways, okay, beautiful capitalism. Asia highs up here, Asia lows down here. Daily EQ, let's just check where's the EQ for the lads. EQ down here at the weekly R1. So Chad, I would almost want to see us trade back here, see us retest that weekly R1, and yeah, we'll see what we do there. I'm not going to do anything here. This is in no man's land for me. If you want to do something from here, feel free to do it, but not for me. I'm alright. I haven't even had a full cup of coffee. So, ooh, Chad. Now, again, very weird. NASDAQ on the daily for me is bearish. We're bullish on the week. This is now, and I do apologize for my language, this is what you call a clusterfuck. Because dollar's looking bullish, Dow's looking bullish, NASDAQ is looking bearish. Even if it's for one day, I do think we could push down because we took a previous daily high. We took almost 2 previous daily lows. So unless we just push up from here, I'm going to be bearish on the day. And 4 hour time frame, weekly R1, that's going to be the resistance. And then 5 minutes. What do we have on the 5? Okay, Asia lows down here. Asia highs up here. Daily EQ, weekly R1. So I'm going to say I want to see what we do at this level a little bit later. Seems like the 80 wants to, the bulls want to break free. Otherwise, the bears are just going to let loose on the bulls. So we're going to watch this level up here. Sorry, Chad, last one, and it's over to my man, Jev. Dollar, gold. Yeah, gold yesterday. I told you guys I was bullish. And I don't know why this key level moved. It's consistently moving. 255. I think that's the key level. Yeah. 2357. Let me just try and save this quickly. Alright. Beautiful, beautiful bullish move to the upside. Again, above the monthly pivot. I am bullish on the day. I am bullish on the day, but also taking into consideration we could have some type of a pullback. So let's see a 5 minute time frame. Asia range is relatively large. I'm not gonna lie, Asia. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, Asia highs up here, Asia lows down here. Let's just get the grid up and okay, sorry, I'm almost done, Chad. Let's just get those grids up here. Okay, beautiful. So what am I looking for? Okay, nice thing about gold here, we've got all of these eyes that we can easily run through. Beautiful equal highs. So I want to see us somewhere during this morning or even later this afternoon. We're gonna just punch through those levels. So hopefully we are in the longs once we start getting to these levels, because that's going to be just a big punch through that level. For this session, I would love for us to just take Asia lows, and then I want to get this is my zone, Chad. This is the make or break for this morning session. Everything's going to happen from here. 2360. I will be monitoring this closely. We will be zoomed in and we will try and get into a position from this level. Jeff, that was quite a lot. Over to you, my brother.
All good, all good. Glad to see we on the same page today. So looking at dollar index, so we can see price has been making higher highs. So from my side, I want to see Asian lows be taken on the dollar here at the daily pivot, also the weekly open, and kind of have something like this basically pay out. So basically have price form lower lows, and then once we can sweep this low, meaning tapping into those sell stops, displace out of that zone fair value gap, then I would want to see dollar then move towards those highs, targeting that Asian high, and then also looking at the 4 hour, basically filling into that gap over there, that had that wick. And also why this wouldn't be a valid supply zone for me is because the move already happened from this point. So from this point on, if we go a bit further into DXY, the next supply zone only be all the way up here. So all the way up there, more or less near the daily R1. So quite a long way to go up. So I like that. So then moving on to Euro USD, this is what I currently have marked out over here at this level. So I'm just going to remove this because I know some of you guys are naughty.
Hey, do you think they will already sell now?
Yeah, they just see a tool
Chad,
and they enter.
sorry JV, I just want to open up the markets. Chad, it is officially, or the unofficial, round 9, and it is a Friday. Markets are open and in motion. Round 1, no, round 9, fight. I'm back to round 1 already. Thanks JV.
Okay, so then on EU, we can see Asian high has been swept. Then we also had this liquidity zone over here. So what I like over here is the fact that we swept above that level and now massive displacement. We also have the daily pivot at that point, and the fact that we're bullish on the dollar. I think on EU, we could expect price to basically do something like this and then target those Asian lows. And if we do take this, just want to show you guys what we will use as a stop and our target. So we'll enter on that fair value gap that was left within that zone and stop slightly above the high. So that's 2 pips, so more or less 4 pips. And then we'll just basically target the Asian low, so that's a nice risk reward of more or less 1 to 4. And then on GU as well, we can see price has tapped into a supply zone over here, but not tapping into the daily EQ over there, which is a bit concerning. However, also very similar, you can see Asian has been taken. My only concern about this is the way the 1 minute looks. So there's nothing really for me to refer to for a supply zone, especially with a wick like this. So I would maybe want to see GU maybe make a slightly higher high above this level and then basically do something like this. Once they're above that point, reject and then confirm that they want to go back towards the downside. Then on gold, I want to see gold take out the Asian low. So this point over here, that wick, or if it travels all the way down, the next point is basically 23.55, and I'll basically want to see one of 2 patterns, meaning sweep this low, displace fair value gap and move towards the upside, or alternatively see the exact same move over here. It's all depends on which level will give us the confirmation. And then on USD Rand, Asian low is untested, so also this demand zone down here, and also we also, like I said, bullish on the dollar. So if the DXY can push down, tap that level, it could push down the USD, the Rand, and then once we tap into this demand zone, we could then potentially look for longs from this point. And then on US30, weird enough, I'm bullish on the day, but I don't like the way this pattern looks. So initially, also same thing, I want to see them tap or sweep this level, tapping into this a daily EQ at this demand zone over here, and then potentially look for longs towards the upside. And then what's weird also is NASDAQ looking bearish. So either one of 2 things: either I want to see a sweep above this level and then a test at the EQ to set the daily high, and then we can start looking for shorts. Alternatively, if this point doesn't hold, the next point we'll look at is basically this high over here, more or less at 19,955. And then on oil, also bullish on oil. I want to see basically price tap below this level, this liquidity point and the EQ, and we have a similar setup, sweep below, displace with the fair value gap to continue targeting those highs. Yeah, that's
Is
me.
that you, JV? Thank you. If dollar goes up, gold goes down. Not always. That's the idea. The idea is that a stronger dollar is going to cause a weaker gold and obviously weaker equities. But Mark, very, very simple. If you want to check that, what you can do is you can actually go onto your chart, top left here. Let me actually just minimize this a little bit so you can see. You see that plus button there? You can compare symbols and then you can compare gold. I'll just use a new price scale so I can basically change it. So let's compare it. Let's you don't even have to ask us ever again, if dollar goes up, does gold go down? So gold is obviously the mustard one. What do you see there? So gold going down while dollar is going up. So visually on a chart, there we tested it and it seems to be true. But then if we zoom out, we'll see that, oh damn, there are times where gold and the dollar move in sync. Look at this. All of this moving in sync. And you can say, Chris, why is that? I actually did an Instagram video about that. So go and check that out, where I talk about correlations, where I talk about demand, where there's a high demand for gold and for the dollar, then both of them will rally. So yeah, nothing is always black and white and the opposite, but there you go. Never ever wonder again. EQ, that is the previous day's 50%. So just take the previous day's high and low, pull a line on the 50%. That is the daily EQ. As simple as that. Good morning. Okay, guys, let's get through the chat here. We are waiting for something to happen here on gold. 2360 or 2355. So let's see. Slashy starting us off with all those speeches here this morning. Milani, good morning, good morning. I've been stream hopping a bit this morning to see who is doing what. These young boys swearing like pirates is very irritating. Did I swear? Or who swore?
No, I think she meant like these other streamer boys.
Really?
Yeah, we're the most respectful channel on YouTube.
Yeah, sorry, Chad. The confaculated, that's the only word. I think this week I've been relatively clean. Anna D, good morning. Amina, Jason, Dylan, Donnie, Rocks, Dinang, Rex, Robert Moore, good morning, good morning. Etty, Byron Bevenito, haven't seen you yet. Good morning from the support and resistance community. Beautiful. Chris, Bev, I think you caught some bangers yesterday, so take it easy today. How's that PC? Did you sleep last night, Chevy? Robert asking there.
I tried to remember to go to bed.
Hey, Chev. I can't talk. Last night, myself and Robert, one of the members, we every night try and do like 1 or 2 ranked games on data. So I think I also got into bed like 12, like a little kid after I did some work. Still had a call with the team members. So Fabs, good morning, good morning. What else did I miss? I can't complain. Beautiful. Tuju's trading. Chris, are you saying you are bearish on weekly and bullish on daily? No, I said I'm bullish on both now. Mohammed, bullish on both. Remember, I started off the week. Go back to Tuesday's analysis. I said I'm bullish on the week, but here's the thing, you can be bullish on the week, but remember, you can be bearish on the daily, because technically Monday, Tuesday creates the bottom or the top wick of the week. Wednesday creates a large part or the start of the body. And then Fridays you tend to get either late afternoon or even in the morning you get the reversal. So that if you look at a weekly candle, this is what a weekly candle. Guest.
Oh, hectic.
Chad, we've got Jeremy. Yeah, I want to chat. Are you going to come sit here quickly? Just want to chat quickly. Chad, I'm just going to sit quickly with Jeremy before he heads off to Cape Town. But just to come back to my point, the top wick and the bottom wick, these are usually formed in the early parts of the week and in the latter parts of the week. So let's say this is a bearish candle. What's going to happen Friday afternoon is it will at one stage not have a bottom wick, and then the afternoon it will just pull back a little bit to create that wick. So that's the thinking behind it. Not always perfect, but at least some framework to work from. So
Chris, before you go to Jamie,
your screen.
what's your thoughts on gold quickly before you go? I see they at the Asian low.
So I want Asia lows to be swept. like it's doing now, and then I want to buy above 23.60, round number.
Okay.
23.60, that is my buy level. If it holds above 23.60, otherwise if it starts rejecting 23.60 and the 80 starts flipping bearish, let me just go to my screen. If we start rejecting here at 23.60 and the 80 also starts becoming bearish, then obviously things are gonna start getting messy. Moski, over to work this, eh?
I know how to work it, brother. I'm here to chaperone. Let me take care of shit. I'm sure yours is here. This guy wants my coffee. God forbid someone brings me coffee.
Where's that thing?
Hold on.
Over here. But yeah, guys, let's see if we can push price to Chris. I just don't like what's happening over here. So obviously lowest made supply. If we can just see the supply zone basically, so we can see this is the action. If we can see it fail, then we'll start looking for an entry to go long. So meaning I don't want to see it break below these lows now.
Hey, what's up, Chad? It's me, Mo.
Did you take anything today?
I didn't take anything. Let's look at gold on the 4 hour. 7 o'clock. Yeah, I couldn't. There's no setup there. You see it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't know your method, so.
No, it's basically the entry criteria from the Discord. Just on the 4 hour.
Okay,
Yeah.
I see what you mean.
This is what you guys are jamming to. Hey, what's up, Chad?
This is vibes.
Bro, I'm gonna do my best today to stay up to date with the comments. I don't know where my mind goes, man. I just get chatty. What are you looking for?
I am looking for a longs on gold. Weird enough, short on EU, but EU's moved so much. I don't think we're gonna take this because I mean, what I would have liked to see was this displacement down. And then from here start heading towards that zone so we can actually get in on this move. But the fact that they're already almost at the Asian low kind of tickles my bottom.
Okay, that's one way to put it. Sure. Okay.
Yeah. And then on G also look for shorts, but also like it really kind of moved, so we might have actually missed our moves for the session. And then on oil, looking for longs, so oil must still take out the Asian low. USD still waiting. NASDAQ still waiting. So I think for now, only thing is gold and maybe the rand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me do this. I'm signed into my trading view here. Oh, bro, my charts just look so good.
Chad, weird question. Is there anyone here who plays Fortnite? You know, I always used to be against Fortnite. I now understand why grown men play Fortnite.
Bro, first-person shooters as a whole, like once you get into first-person shooters, it's very difficult to go back. And then someone's asking how my strat's going. It's going really well, actually. I'm just gonna put on my screen for 1 second. I don't have much to show because I don't really trade to show people. You know what I'm saying? But this is the last trade I took yesterday. Where is it? Chris. Transition.
Slushy, yeah, but I think we knew about Michael.
Look at this. Look at this trade here, Jeff. Look at the last trade.
Did you take it?
Yesterday.
Nice.
I did.
Nice.
I had actually taken it here. I don't know if you're seeing my screen. I had taken it here at the, yeah, that's at 7 o'clock. So it actually opened up here. But then this drawdown, I was just like, you know what? I'm learning to recognize some stuff, especially in my entries. Like, I have this problem, or I had this problem where I'd look at my entry reverse and I'm like, no, it'll go back. It's just like that initial maybe 15, 30 minutes. If you're swing trading, monitor that, see what happens. So I closed in profits, but then I got another entry. So not too bad.
Go Mo.
Yeah.
Go Mo.
Let's go back to your screen.
I really like what you've been doing with this method. I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you.
Thanks.
Because it's
man.
something you did on your own.
Yeah, like obviously with a lot of help, but yeah, I guess you spend enough time. like developing something that works for you. It's that whole trading for your personality thing. So
Yeah.
pretty solid right now.
If you guys do play Fortnite, get in touch with me. I need some friends to play with this weekend.
Jeff played Fortnite yesterday and he didn't. You did die probably, but you said you won.
Okay, I don't know what one means, but like I didn't die.
You
Put it that way.
didn't die.
I didn't die
At all.
at all.
Hey Chad, do we believe that though? This man went from dying 6 times. Sporting, dying.
But to be
now-
fair, I
Mhm.
played online, but we were on a
Mhm.
team, so we technically against like NPCs.
Yeah.
So that kind of makes sense.
Yeah, you
why.
definitely need that at first, bro. You can't just go in there hot and think you're gonna start killing it, especially on PC.
And
Also
it's-
appreciated
it's-
Etienne.
And meanwhile, kids killing me.
Yeah, it's gonna be the kids, bro. And they're gonna tell you, "Mom's a bitch." And it's like, hey, man, I'm just doing my best here. Okay. Let's see what's been happening. How's your trading been going, Jeff? I haven't asked actually.
I'm actually down for this month.
Oh no.
Not a lot or anything. It's mostly commissions.
Hey, those commissions.
Yeah, for break evens, like those small 2-3 pip hits, like after managing a trade. They've just been adding up a bit.
Bro, can I tell you, actually, right? So, since I started this whole swing trading thing, remember, small lot size, you're targeting big. Over, what's today? The 22nd? No, the 21st. Oh, since the 9th of May, my commissions, right? Consider that I've made gains of like $300 and stuff like that, like plus. My commissions are like $11, bro.
Yo.
I know, right?
Yeah.
But before that, like the damage was like only to be sitting at like break even or a little bit of drawdown. They were like at $80-$90. So like, yeah, those commissions, bro. But
Yeah. And also, I think it's some of the pairs I've been trading.
Mhm.
The commissions are higher on them. But yeah,
Right.
the markets.
The markets, bro. Bro, Chris's screen. There's so much going on. I'm trying to read stuff. Let's see.
Okay, so DXY swept the Asian high, which is interesting. Very interesting.
Jeff,
Yes.
it's Friday, my dude.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
You have plans this weekend?
Yeah, I'll play some game.
Oh my goodness. You know, technically that's plans. That's fine. That's fine.
And you?
Do I have plans? Not really. But that's kind of the plan. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I have to decompress. I feel like I'm drowning a little bit here. Plus my leg.
Oh yeah, shame, man. Are you gonna go see someone about it?
No, I think it's a strain. I don't think... Like, I'll monitor it, obviously. You know what I'm saying? But this doesn't feel like the same problem I had with my knee. This is just you ran too much. You know, all that running, 5 kilometers, 4.5 kilometers. You know, you're going to get strained, man. Because I run. It's what I do. Natural born athlete.
Okay, let's see. Potentially we might get something here on EJ, which is interesting. My only concern now is that the gap there. Market's just choppy. Ugly.
EJ,
Everything
yeah.
is ugly.
Win loss, brother.
Ja, nee, Rooks. Ons gaan maken die ding ruk.
I know, these are definitely vibes, bro.
Slash, I do agree with you there about the cutting and chopping up houses. I don't want to do that. I want to shoot people. But yeah, Mo, it's vibes. It's vibes.
What's Michaela saying about your new gaming lifestyle?
She's just always like, okay, how long are you gonna be?
You don't do the voice.
But nah, she understands. She knows how long I've been wanting this, and plus, like, she got a laptop now, so
Yeah. You guys are out each other's space, eh?
yeah.
That's dope. Does she use the PC when you're not home?
I don't think so. I think
I
she's
hope
just
she
good.
does, bro. I hope one day you're like, hey, let me show you, and then she just demolishes you, bro. Because like she's had all this
I
time.
actually told her that, like, so I want to get us controllers and then get multiplayer games. So like times we're bored, we can
Yeah.
both game, you know.
Yeah, yeah, that's cool. Like a couple thing, do something together. So, Etienne is saying, Mo, just rent your body out for a weekend. It does wonders to the mind and body. What does that mean, rent your body out? This is giving heavy gigolo vibes. I'm sorry if I'm lost, but maybe I will. You know, I'm that kind of guy anyway.
Hey, Kaden, I only give laptops to people who give me babies.
Hey, man. What is your problem? This guy.
So someone reminds me of that song I played for you yesterday.
Wait, which one? The
one.
Onward.
No, the one.
Oh, the Eminem one. Oh man, I don't even know if I can share with the chat.
No,
'cause,
no,
like,
no,
no.
no.
That's not what we're doing. Yeah, hey.
No, we'll definitely get cancelled for that.
That's wrong. Like Chris is gonna ask me to leave, bro. He's gonna get a personal phone call and like, hey, dude, your boys are like on some shit.
Hey Ed, welcome, man. Glad to see you. Yeah, quote me on that. Quote me on that. I really don't like the way the market did, man, with these gaps. Like EU, we saw it just before this the session started. But now also looking at it on the 1 minute, there's nothing that actually gave me an entry. So for instance, we price flipped basically. If this move came into this level, or even like, oh damn, even yeah, then I would have considered it. But yeah, we actually missed that.
Bro, can I just say something?
Mm?
This is genuinely the first time I'm looking at any pair that isn't gold, right? Gold dollar. There's so many beautiful setups here, man. It's
Yeah.
so tempting.
The market is
Yo, it is giving,
The
bro.
the market wants to bless us. The market wants to bless us. But this is also interesting what's happening here. Let's see if we go refine this a bit, but we can see.
Oh shucks, I've had it on my screen the whole time, Jeff. Hold on.
Is it?
No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Nah, I can see my side. I think I would have picked up.
Yeah. But you know, it's not common that I hear you guys say you took trades on a Friday, actually.
Not common.
Yeah, I feel like it doesn't happen all too often. Like, by Friday, you guys are like, I've either done too much damage, I'm going to sit it out, or I've gained and, like, made so much profits, I'm not going to ruin it now.
My thing is, like, I wouldn't say, like I said, I'm down based off commissions and, like, small amounts. So, yeah, I still feel like for me, I would still take a shot. But if I had, like, hectic, like losses, like real, like
Yeah.
stops,
Oh,
you know, then I would have been like,
Let me
no,
phrase
no,
it like
no.
this. You guys are prone to taking less risk on Fridays. You will only really take that trade
Oh,
if
yeah.
the setup is just so perfect. But I will say, bro, this week, what's today, Thursday? Man, Tuesday, there was such a beautiful setup on gold, and I took it, and it just reversed, brother. Like, it, man.
Nasty, and you must get in touch, man. Let's form a little Fortnite cult. ET says, because it's 8 cap. Okay, let's see a different provider. Maybe I'm too attached to 8 cap. Ah, okay. I see. Okay, I see the ET. Thank you, man. The darling. Only concern is here also.
Someone's asking, it's Biana Sikopo. He's asking, what is the name of the indicators you are using?
Okay, so I have 3 on here. Number 1 is the Lux Algo. So the Lux Algo sessions.
What's that?
It's basically just my sessions. So for instance, if you'll see, if I scroll out, oh damn, you go to the 15-minute. So it basically marks out my days. So it shows me, okay, something's wrong here. No, it's right. It's weird how the time ribbon says Friday here, but okay, anyway. So it shows me my day of the week. It shows me my Asian session, London session, New York session, and also like why I like it, because it shows me the highs and lows of each session, so I can see where the liquidity is sitting.
Oh, that's pretty dope. Lux Algo. I guess I just hate the name. I don't
Yeah,
know.
so I was also very against them, but they have quite a few cool indicators. For instance, if you type Lux, for instance, ICT concepts. This is something I've also used in the past. So it marks out your fair value gaps for you, to supply and demand zones and so forth. But nah, I know what I'm doing. I don't need an indicator to draw it for me. Fair value gap, liquidity, silver bullet, the ICT unicorn. These people, they I don't know how they obviously have paid services as well, but they make good money from selling the indicators. Then basically we have the pivots, which is pretty standard. I'm sure you guys have seen what Chris has showed, but the only difference between it is, instead of, I only have my pivots back 1. So for instance, some of you guys have seen in your charts, it looks something like this. A lot of pivots on this. So what I do is I just put it back 1. So I only see for today and this week, basically. And then I have the mint FX, basically the wick colors. So you'll see basically some of my wicks on my charts look a bit different. So you'll see over here that's blue, that's purple. If I put it off, you'll see it looks normal. And this just also helps me spot certain zones in the market.
Right on.
On Dobo, let's see there on USD yen. So we're definitely bullish on this. Ooh, yeah, this is, guys, look at this. Those under our mentorship would know. We spoke about this literally last month already, if I'm not mistaken. And I said all the yen pairs are gonna go for the stop wick based on the pairs. So UJ is still hitting there. GJ has already gone to that level. CAD yen is still heading to that point. Euro yen still heading to that point. Chef yen is already reached that point. So the way I see the market is, it's like a concert. So also I'm gonna show you guys something cool real quick. Something my mentor taught me. This is what I call a currency matrix. Basically go back to you just keep an eye. Oh, just keep an eye on gold as well. I need to see what's happening here. Okay, so price making a lower low. Okay, so we'll just wait it out here and see what we can get. Just give me 1 second quickly, Chad. Okay, so basically, this is what he taught me. Say for instance, you have your watch list. Let's say you have Euro, USD. Let's say you have Euro, JPY. Let's say you have USD, CAD. And let's say, for instance, you have, let's say, GBP, USD. Okay, so let's say these are the only 4 pairs on your watch list. Now, if there's no setup on one of these 4 pairs, what you then do is, let's say you're looking at Euro USD, Euro Yen. There's nothing on there, right? So this is what I'm saying now. The fact that Ndobo said USD Yen, we might actually get something there, but actually not, because they're not holding it. But initially what happens is, if all these pairs basically consolidate and they're moving sideways and there's no movement on them and there's no breakouts or anything like that, what happens is you compare 2 pairs. So for instance, you take the Euro Yen and Euro JPY. and you look which one has the same thing. So you can see euro, and we have euro. The two different pairs we have is USD and yen. Now you are left with USD. Oh damn, that's ugly. Then you are basically left with USD yen to trade. Then for instance, let's say you can't find a setup on USD CAD or GBP USD. You eliminate USD and USD. You are then left with GBP CAD. Then you'll find a setup on GBP CAD. And take it even further. Let's say you can't find a setup on Euro USD or USD CAD. You then eliminate USD USD and you're left with Euro CAD. So this is why I say they move one by one. So long term, I'm bullish on the yen base.
You're bullish on the yen pace?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the music done stopped actually, huh?
Yeah, it's a bit awkward silence.
That got so dry.
So Etienne says, guys, myself and Mo are starting an escort service in PE and Cape Town. Please send all your exes to make use of our service.
We will be selling our bodies.
I actually saw something a few days ago that says a prostitute, her job is to you actually pay her so you don't have an affair with her.
No. Let's break that down a little bit. There's a word I learned this morning. Well, the definition of, but go on, I'll find that word.
But yeah, basically, the idea goes, a prostitute, her job is to be that barrier between you and an affair. Because technically you already give, like, it's an exchange.
Exchange of what?
I'm sure you know what exchange.
Bodily fluids. It's not great, bro. I'm sorry, Jim. Doggy. I just got here, man. So, do we want to break this down even? No, I don't think we do. Let's not go down that route, please.
Mohammed, so basically when I say I'm bullish on the yen base, that means anything that has JPY in it, I'm bullish on that. So USD yen, I'm bullish. GBP JPY, I'm bullish. CAD yen, I'm bullish. Euro yen, bullish. Chef yen, bullish. Basically.
Hey, morning, Angelo.
Yeah, good morning, Angelo, man. Long time. How you doing?
It's been a while.
I actually looked for you. Did you change your username on Instagram, Angelo? I actually looked for you the other day. I wanted to message you. I can't know why I wanted to message you. But yeah. Okay. Interesting what's happening.
Bro, I want to go warm up my coffee real quick, okay? Do you want to warm yours up as well?
No, I'm okay. I like cold coffee.
I'll be back, Chad.
So I have to see price travel all the way to the upside here on the yen. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. This thing really fell so much. Telepathy. We couldn't get in there. That was a nice trade. GBP JPY. Sorry, only going through all. I see there's a few comments we missed here. Etienne, love you too, man. Much love, much love. Sorry?
It's so much warmer in here already. I love it.
Yeah, like it too. can agree with that. Okay, gold breaking above that level, flipping direction. Only concern is no bottom wick on the 1 minute. But
On the 1 minute.
yeah,
Oh, I
but
thought you
we,
know the 5 minute. Let's see.
but we do have a nice wick on the 5 minute. And but now all the concern also here is the 15 minute doesn't have a bottom wick. But let's wait and see. But I would love to get in on this.
You should be in it already, bro.
No. Must come back down.
No. Come back down. Okay.
Come back down. And
Let me
then
not get you. I mean, look at it, bro. Are you on the 5 minute?
on the
Go
3
on the
minute now.
Go the 5 minute.
1 second. 5 minute.
But hold on, let me mark something out here. Give me a sec.
Jen, yes, I'm gonna look for a buy. I just want to see a retracement. Vavish, I actually don't use an indicator. It's market structure. It's based off my strategy and, well, it's basic market structure order flow. But there is an indicator you can use. But the thing is, market psychological. Sometimes something that's coded can't think for itself. You know, so that is just the only concern I have with it. So for instance, you'll see over here, me show shifting market structure, show displacement. So you'll see, okay, that's fair value gap. Let me just go to a smaller time frame quick. So yeah, you see the shifting market structure, but I need how to spot it without the indicator. So yeah, if you want to learn about break of structure, change of character, you can check out the Trading Alchemy on my YouTube channel. There's 7 days, 7 or 8 episodes if I'm not mistaken. Someone's asking, done vaping yet, Mo? Angelo's asking.
A vape, what's that?
Yeah, the man's been
Clean.
healthy.
Here's the thing, bro. Like, because I'm running now and I'm doing a lot of cardio, I would really feel it in my chest. That's my one thing. I've never been in a situation I'm doing both. So, nah, man. Nah. But I could try it right now, see how it goes. If someone passed me their vape. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
Not sure about that one. Like I said, I still need to work on the pause. But let's continue. See ya. Gajin got you yesterday. What did you do with Gajin? Did you sell yesterday?
Bro, are you only locked into these songs here?
Yeah.
Damn.
Unless you want to play my song of yesterday.
No. That's the only other option. No. Let's not do that. Let's not get cancelled.
No, not that one. The one I sang on stream. I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello.
Oh, okay. That's yo, that's better. That's better. I
But
thought you were talking about you.
But then we're gonna get thingied, isn't it?
Yeah.
Strike.
Let's see. I'm actually, man, screw it. You put me here. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. Hold on. I'm gonna play a song for us, right, Jeff? Let me find it first.
Okay.
I've been enjoying this song. Ugh, listen to this, man. How do I turn up the audio here for our headsets? Chad, let me know if it's too loud, eh? How's that for you, Jeff?
It's okay. Shoot. The XY just penetrated that zone. This was a massive zone here on DXY, if I'm not mistaken.
Listen to this, bro.
Who's this?
Kitchenada and Childish Gambino.
Oh, okay, okay.
Let's see DXY.
You kept selling. But if the market goes against you, why would you? You see, there's a saying in Buddhism: attachment is the root of all suffering. So you must never get attached to your trades. And the root of suffering for attachment, be it people, places, and things.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, this cold coffee slaps, eh?
This cold coffee.
Yo.
Man, funny enough, you know I've said I'm lactose intolerant.
Mm?
And here I am, just sipping down, brother. What must I do?
Nice. He took some. Let me see what you did in US30. What did you do? Or did you look for longs or sells? Oh, nice, 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 nice. Oh, Chad. I like what I see. I like what I see.
You still trying to take gold?
Yeah, but this is oil.
Okay.
Oh, but guys, we literally still at the supply zone though. Could easily break through that level. The thing is also like this thing has been rising ever since that thing with the guys, just please ignore everything.
Goodness.
Just ignore everything over here, okay? This is where we do some training sessions and so forth. I actually did a method last night, a strategy I'm working on. So, here's a strategy. The strategy started off on this Monday, the 10th of June. Risk reward of 1 to 3.5 on each trade. First trade took place, TP hit. Waited. The second trade was over here, TP hit. The next day there was no setup. The third day, setup, TP hit, risk reward of 1 to 3, 1 to 3, and yeah, there was no more setups after that. But oh yeah, another one, 1 to 3. So 100% win rate, based off a week's data. with 1, 2, 3. Huh? 1, 2, 3. 3 trades. It's very interesting. Mo,
Yeah.
look here.
Oh my, there's no way. I don't know.
It's back.
Yo, intense, bro.
Yo.
Hey, Chad, we are sticking to this this copyright-free music. I've never seen that before, hey?
Yo.
Did my heart not just drop, bro? Sorry, Chad, we didn't take anything in those couple of seconds, but that was intense. Intense, bro.
No one tell Chris, ne? Keep it
Yeah,
keep
guys,
between us.
please. Shh.
I was gonna say, hey, no man, guys, I'll leave you guys alone for 10 minutes,
And you break everything, basically. Awesome, bro. Hey, but YouTube is some shit, hey?
See, Fabio has a point there.
Mo hit a stop loss there.
Fabio has a point there.
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather play my ghetto music.
It's not gonna get struck, hey?
We give the guy some views. No, because the stuff isn't copyrighted.
No, but my chat though is like I actually tried to play a different song, and thingy, bro, like the lyrics, they drown out our audio also. But throw me suggestions. Let's see. It's not like they're just making they're not making lo-fi beats, eh?
Okay, play. No, we can't play that guy. He's definitely copyrighted. Now I'm just thinking now. Also, we can't play something rude.
Yeah. No. I'm thinking thoughts, yeah. Bro, like anyone I'm gonna think of is gonna be like a proper artist with probably like a record label or something.
Yeah, me. But I'm trying to.
You
all these ones are so rude, man. Let me see if this stuff is copyrighted. Let me see. It's 2 guys from Cape Town.
21 something.
No, not them. They actually make some very chilled music, like some woke music. They only have 2K subs. But let me see.
You know what I should do, Jiv?
Yeah.
I should install Photoshop and Premiere Pro and all these software here. And if Chris brings me here, I must just live stream it. Like, you guys must just watch me edit live.
Wait. Sorry, quickly. Can you see on YouTube if something's been copyrighted?
No, not beforehand. You kind of have to find out either as it's happening like now or after the fact when your stream has been taken down. You get what I'm saying?
You wanna take a risk?
Let's do it, brother. We've seen the shit. Man, I'm looking at this gold. I wonder if anyone took it where I said you should have taken it. Let's see how. Let's say long position. Sorry, give me a sec first, Jev.
All good.
I can't believe I had an opportunity to call a trade on stream.
London, that's actually true, eh? Because how come they don't get struck if they actually play music if it's not theirs? Hey, Mo?
Who's they? Them?
See, I see these guys who DJ on YouTube, like they would have like these live DJing sessions.
Oh yeah.
But they play music of artists. And they're like, what if we play a mix like that?
No. Remember, I only I only suggested it, bro. I was just like, hey, Jeff, you should be in. No. Bro, I'm coming here as a swing trader.
You should have backed it, Chad. What's happening
bro.
here? Did he call it? Did I see your screen?
At the time, I think so. I just said to Jeff, hey, maybe you should have taken it there. You should be in already.
No, but did you share your screen?
At the time, I can't say. I think so.
Okay.
Man, what a beauty. You see that, Jeff?
Chad, Chad, wait, let me see. Why is there no music, Mo?
Why is there no music? Maybe the song just stopped, literally.
Oh.
No. He's talking about like, it goes really quiet for a long time.
Yeah. Okay. Moski, Chad, did Mo share this with you guys? Please tell me that. Beautiful. Let me just show you guys.
So here's how the conversation went. I said, Jeff, at that level, that's an entry should be in already, right?
Wait.
No, I marked that out after, please. Like, let me not give you some ideas. And I literally, before you walked in, I'm like, I cannot believe I had an opportunity to share this.
And you didn't share
And I
it.
didn't share it.
Mo.
Bro.
But
what an L.
No, that's fine. But here's the thing: you should always back yourself.
Yeah.
And we said we're looking for the buys on gold.
Mm-hmm.
And let's just log in here. Sorry, guys. Just had a chat to Jeremy. Always gonna take some time to chat to Jeremy. Very, very good, good man, family man. A lot of respect for him. So, yeah, just wanted to catch up with Jeremy real quick. They are heading back to Cape Town today, and yeah, they also have some exciting stuff that they are busy with. Local businessman lives between PE and Cape Town, so yeah, also somebody I look up to in terms of business, has done some great things, not even good things. Have done some great business exploits, so always good to keep your network healthy. But Mo,
Yeah.
you should have called that, my brother.
Bro,
I would have loved that.
I would have loved that for myself, to just come in hot, give the people a trade, and like
Hey.
walk away.
Asia lows. Was it a little Asia? Chad, didn't really miss anything. Remember we said the level 2360. Is gold again doing that thing where it's just running away, all of this volume? Remember I said I want to see Asia lows being taken, Asia lows being swept. Yeah, okay. So again, be calm. We're gonna wait for a potential retest of 2360. We could take a. Remember, Chad, who was here from the start when I said these highs are going to be run, and I hope we are in the longs because this is going to be it's going to be an aggressive move.
I'm sorry, listen, man. I'm looking at this right now, and I'm like, I should have taken this trade. What a beauty, man.
So maybe I hope we don't break through here now because I don't want to. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. So very elusive. Very, very. Did you take your trade this morning? Your
Me?
4 hour?
No, I didn't today.
Okay.
No setup.
No setup on the 4 hour.
There was only 2 setups this week, actually.
I see. But you can take this 4 hour. That's the thing. If this 4 hour closes above 2365, because look what it did. You see this bearish candle here?
Yeah.
Look what this current 4 hour did. It took the low of this 4 hour candle. So that got a lot of sellers involved here. And now it's going to potentially break above here. So if we close above this level, Chad, let me just get something on here for us. Let's give it a little bit of a background there. If we break above this on the 4 hour, this thing is gonzo to the upside. So, all right. What did Jeff take anything as of yet?
Jeff didn't take anything.
Okay, nothing for
Yeah.
JV. Chad, let's see what the dollar is doing here this morning. All right, dollar as mentioned, bullish. Damn, Chad, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful price action. As mentioned, this easy as it gets. Go onto the Discord. Please go onto the Discord. Go and tell me what is this, Chad. This is why I've done the education section for you guys. If you go to education, what setup is that? Remember, there's no time frame on this. There's no time frame. You can use this on any time frame. Check market structure A, and then let's go back. This is how I determine my daily biases, just purely based off what setup I'm seeing on the daily time frame. What setup is that, Chad?
I know.
Please tell me what setup is this. This is for the... If you're new, maybe you wouldn't know, but if you have been with us for a while, you should know this. As easy as it gets. It's a continuation buy. Beautiful. And that's all I do on a daily. On a daily basis, that's literally all I do. That is how I determine my bias. And I've told you guys a lot of times that this right here, this determining your weekly bias and determining your daily bias, most probably one of the most important aspects of your trading. Because this is what's going to give you the confidence to execute on a lower time frame idea. And this is also what's going to eliminate that thing of, should I buy here, should I sell here? You will know what you need to do. Okay. Alrighty. This coming all the way down. Remember, we want to see it all the way down here. Weekly R1, daily EQ. Also very close to that round number. Watch out for that level. Bearish. Okay. NASDAQ takes Asia highs. Closes back inside of the range. I know some of you guys are in this. By show of hands, who took the NASDAQ shorts once we close back inside of the Asia range? Don't be shy. Tell me who took it. Who took the Asia, because 80 was bearish. Asia lows one, tested. Daily EQ is not even down here. Daily EQ is up there, but who took the NAS shorts? Took shorts on NASDAQ and US30. Beautiful, Kalen. With what idea? This idea. Closing back inside of the Asia range. Again, for the newer viewers, again, Discord. Even though we've got a membership, we've given all of this stuff. We've given you enough to never ever want anything else in your life. If you apply yourself, the trading plan, trade setups for buys, trade setups for sells. For sells, you want to ideally sell from the Asia high. Okay? Buy scenarios, sell scenario, everything there for you, chat. Trade, even trade management. If you really go in and you use this trading plan, and you use all of the information I've given you here, and you come back after 6 to 8 months and you say, Chris, I'm still not profitable, then I'll stop trading. I'll stop now, because exactly what we've used here has made Mo profitable. Jev is still fighting it, but Jev is also profitable. But
I will say, don't fight the pivots though. The pivots is definitely something I've taken that helps a lot.
Beautiful, beautiful. I just saw it again last night with Shaq here as well. Him taking a short yesterday on US30 that was lining up with the daily R1 and also the daily R5 and the weekly R1. And it's beautiful to see different techniques, same execution, same result. Okay, Jevy, you haven't executed on anything yet, eh?
We looked at gold, but then it came to the zone, swept the high, swept the low perfectly, but then we didn't have retracement to get in.
Okay.
Similar to what happened on EU, no retracement, so we missed.
PMIs missing across the board here. France missing, relatively big. These are some big misses. Germany missing. 1 minute here for the Eurozone ECB. So, Chad, I think that's why I saw the dollar pump here. Things are looking a little bit shaky in the Eurozone. Things are slowing down. Is this going to give us some type of direction for the PMIs out of the US? Here's the thing now. If we're going to be trading, if all of the PMIs out of the Eurozone come out mixed and the dollar, or not mixed, comes out worse than expected, and the dollar this afternoon prints a positive print, that is massive for the dollar, guys. That is a 2-0 dollar, rest of the world. So ECB getting clapped here, Chad. Big misses. Let's check here. Massive misses here on the Eurozone PMIs. Yeah, look at the Euro, just absolutely getting mauled here. Luckily, Mo logged out of all of my things here, so I need to redo the majority of them. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Mo. Oh no, sorry, I didn't do these. Okay, chat. So we've got some work to do here. Data came out. I've got 2 ideas here on gold, Chad. 2 ideas here. Hopefully, this is the daily flip zone. We've broken below. We've broken above. But we've never, in this session, tested this level. So what I'm hoping for is that if we can come back to test 2360, that is the daily flip. Let me just show you guys on the daily. Right there, that is where the daily flip bullish. If we can get a retest there, because the hourly has also closed. As you can see, the hourly has also closed. We've got this. Okay, we're not going to get it. Okay. This gives me a similar feeling to yesterday, 10 o'clock, when that hourly closed and we wanted to short it. Let me just see, was it 10 o'clock? Exactly, yeah, exactly 10 o'clock we got that flush. Okay, Chad, get ready here. Get ready, we're going to take something aggressive here. If this 5 minute closes above this level here, above this level, and we get a bottom wick first and then a break of the highs, we're going to enter. It's going to be very quick. It's going to be aggressive. So get ready. Otherwise, I don't even mind if gold rejects here again. That just makes it more appealing for me. For if we get into the longs here at the daily flip zone, we're going to target all of these highs, because the support and resistance crew, they are licking their lips there. They're going to get into some shorts. The market's going to give them something to work with, and then we're going to go back and blast through that level. Does that sound good for you, JV?
Wait, sorry, say it again.
These 2365 highs, to target that.
You're gonna enter at this level to go long.
No. I'll say 2360.
2360.
Once we enter there to target 20. These equal highs.
Oh, yes,
there's
yes.
four
Okay, I see, I
highs. So
see.
liquidity building.
Yeah. I want to see it come down.
What does AD and EMA stand for? AD is accumulation distribution. EMA is exponential moving average. There, Rux was kind enough to tell you. Love the Discord, and wow, what a way to start Friday. Coming back from a lacquer L yesterday. Beautiful reward. What did you take, my brother? Gold is building liquidity. Yes, Fubs. Pivot set up in the Discord. Yes, Mofa, what is that? Mofapo Edi. Yes, is that right? Mofapo Edi. I can show it to you as well. Very simple. I don't really change anything on the pivot indicator. Here's the pivots. Traditional. Time frame is auto. Number of pivots back. That's just how many pivots you'll see in the past. So you can put it 50, 100. Doesn't really matter. Then the rest is pretty standard, so you can screenshot 3, 2, 1 and style, nothing there, visibility, boom, done. No, Chris, my normal support and resistance strategy. Alright, Kaylin, beautiful. Buy continuation. Okay, yeah, that was for the dollar. Okay, guys, let's see here. I'm going to give it some time here today. Not going to rush this session like yesterday. Unfortunately, yesterday I had to still get some stuff done. But today, I at least want to give you guys something before this afternoon session. Shaq joining us again today, and also joining us on Monday again. So the Bomb Squad, Jev and Shaq. Jev has yet to give us a trade here this week. Chris, my friend is in South Korea. Yes, you can use. Finally, I'm back in time to watch some trades. Beautiful. I was here, Chris. Paco, nice. Alan van den Berg, I'm in from 23.59. Alan, I want to say... let's just quickly check you on the daily. I just want to check. Alan, I want to say an easy target for gold today is 23.76. That's going to be a relatively straightforward target. If you look here, this little zone here, you can pull this zone through there. So just look left with me, you'll see a nice rejection there. This was a little break zone. There we had a tiny little bit of support. Here we had some rejection trying to build, and then it just busted through. Also had this little wick coming through here. So I'm going to say 23.76 easy. Once we start breaking above yesterday's high, this thing is gonna start punishing some short sellers. It is gonna start. It's gonna do a number on the short sellers. So just be ready. The Project G guys, I gave them a beautiful list last night. They know exactly what to expect here. They know exactly what to expect. I'll just give you a little brief of what we gave them last night.
Chris, could you share my screen?
Market wizards. Okay, JV.
Guys,
Oi,
I'm
JV.
taking some buys here on oil.
Oil.
15 pip stop.
Which oil? US oil or?
US oil.
Okay.
US oil.
Sheesh, Jeff. Okay.
So 15 pip stop and a 35 pip TP.
Sorry, JV, you're not pressured now because I said you haven't given a trade, eh?
Oh no.
Okay,
I've been waiting for this.
Okay. All right, guys. There, your first powder wetting session. Get that powder wet now. 3, 2, 1, and Jeff is in some oil longs here. Little sweep of the lows, a little internal fair value gap there.
Let's see.
Targeting the external range liquidity. Listen to me sounding like a SMC. But that's exactly what it is, JB.
Yeah, so literally change of character, fair value gaps, previous low,
Oh shit! Sorry guys. Wait. I'm not. Sorry.
and the pivot.
What the hell? I'm checking your screen. And I thought I shared it. Chat. Sorry, man. There's the oil. Sheesh, JB. TP hit on gold buy, went aggressive with half risk. Brother man, well done, my brother. Bradley October took a buy again on US30. Bullish flag, 1 minute breakout. Okay, that's one way. That's aggressive, my brother. 1 minute bullish flag on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let me see if I see a bullish. Oh, I check. Okay. Hey, Chad, the flags and the pennants, that was my staple years ago. Yo. It was my staple up until it didn't work anymore. Up until I got a flagpole against my ear when the market said, nee jong man, hy is besig met die verkeerde goedjies, kom laat ek bietjie jou ore trek.
Oh my word.
Jeff, have you ever traded the flags and the pennants and all of that?
Well, in the beginning stages, yeah. When you see things that aren't really there.
Jeff, no, listen here, but no, Chad, here's the thing. That's why I say when I spoke to the guys last night as well on the G school, the thing is, the unfortunate thing was, like, I killed it with the pennants when I started. Dude, like, I was making bank and I thought trading cannot be this easy. I'm absolutely mauling the market. and you know that where you start you start already thinking about what you're gonna buy, and it's like you're laying in bed, and it's like, sure, okay, so I'm first gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do that, and okay, then you're already spending money you haven't even made. You maybe Chad, and yeah, and then at one stage the pivot, not the pivots, the what's the name, the pennants and the bull flags and the bear flags, I got absolutely wrecked. I just got mauled into the ground. Jeff, I want to throw back to you now. Just want to show the guys what I'm looking at here. Alright, chat, 2365. We're going to wait for that level. I just want to get the daily high. Previous daily high was at 2365.578. 2365.78. I just want to mark that level because that's where things are going to get messy. Previous daily high. Okay, that's when we are gonna start seeing some volatility. Okay. All right, Chad. Two things here. I would obviously love for the pullback back to 2360. If we can get that, beautiful. The other very, very aggressive entry is going to be once we get above 2365. And then once we break through this previous daily high, that's the weekly high. That's going to be the session high, the daily high. And again, only one of two things can happen there. Influx of volume to continue, or that's going to be technically the daily high for today as well, because we're going to fake out and we're going to trade down for the rest of the session, for the rest of the day. So just be ready. Just want to show you guys. US30, nothing here for me. Remember, I said I want to see what we do here. I'm not going to trade it. If you are knowing how Keegan trades, I can almost tell you he's going to post a screenshot of him taking a short here somewhere. Why? The daily pivot is untested. Asia lows is untested. Daily EQ is untested. So I don't know if Keegan is on here, but yeah, that would have been his idea. If he didn't take that trade, either I don't know Keegan, or he didn't have the ability to get to his phone. So maybe I must phone him. Let's phone him, chat. Let's ask him that he take the US30 and NAS shorts. This is the JV screen. Let's see. What do you guys rate? The Project G guys, do you rate? Let's see if he took that sneaky short here. Let's listen here. Gold is starting to move here.
Yo, brother, what's up?
What's up, brother? Listen, you on stream here. Did you take that US30 and NAS short from the Asia highs?
From which highs?
Asia highs. Did you take it?
No. I'm going to take the buys off the US30 strat.
Okay, but why don't you take the shorts? Because that was... yeah, okay.
Because I was still sleeping.
Okay, no, thank you. We'll chat later. Thanks so much.
Those US30 strats for the Project G guys, the buys are on today.
Okay, no, perfect. Thanks,
Okay.
thanks, man. Just bye. Okay, so he was asleep. Otherwise, like, I know how the man trades. He would have been in the shorts.
Just a quick one here, guys. So the 5-minute candle closure below the pivot, I don't like that. So if this candle closes below the pivot in the 5-minute, I'm gonna scratch the trade. Also, we have gone 50% drawdown, so we would rather manage it.
My thing with and this is something I want to work on as well is, for instance, if you think about, if it doesn't take out that session low on the left, this could just be a very deep retrace to go back up again
Yeah, because the thing is also what I told the guys was, so we do have a closure above, so we'll hold for 5 more minutes and see what happens. My concern is we're in the supply zone, but we didn't actually pull out of the supply zone as quickly as we should. So the potential of it going down is still there, but then the highs
so you
are
guys
still,
are actually in a premium there. I see
Yeah.
now. Okay.
so the highs are still weak.
Okay. Chad, watch gold. Just get ready for gold. All I'm saying is, could be a very, very quick session here for us. In and out, grabbing those TPs and getting Jave across the line here as well. Sheesh. Here we go. Alright guys, 4 minutes on gold. JV, you don't mind if I throw over to my screen? You will
Nah.
just let us know what's...
Yeah, I'll let you guys know, or if we still good to hold.
Alright Chad, get ready here. Gold 23.65, previous daily high. Hopefully it gives us a chance. Otherwise this thing... Okay. Alrighty. It's not gonna give us anything. Listen, gold has been elusive this week. Anyways, so yeah, let's see, Chad. We've got 3 minutes 30. And again, you're gonna say, Chris, but you called it the liquidity. It's gonna drive. No. While the candle is still open, as much as this thing is pushing up, this candle can completely reverse, and this candle can even close down here. So keep that in mind. While a candle is open, don't get excited. Wait for closures. Okay? Alright, see that? Previous daily high taken. Yeah, no, gold is like, what did you say? Okay, nothing for you today. Chad, I actually like this. I like this because now we've got almost 4 rejections off this level. And if we can get that candle closure above here, something like this, things can get saucy. Okay, so nothing there for me. Are we gonna wait here? Alright, 2 minutes. Let's see. What is the doll hair doing? Okay, the doll hair is starting to fight back here. US30, NASDAQ. Okay. NASDAQ is just saying, listen, hold my beer, I'm going down. Hang Seng closing down 1.3% last night, overnight. Nikkei closing down 0.10%. What is the JSE doing? Chad, let's quickly check the JSE this morning. There was some Ramaphosa, ANC, DA fever going around. Okay, relatively flat for the day, but JSE on the week, monster week for the for the JSE. Monster week. The bulls came out over the long weekend and they said, listen, we are optimistic about South Africa. Look at this, almost 5.57% on a week. We are about to bust through all-time highs here very soon. So things are looking positive for local markets. Still don't like it. I want to get out of the local markets as soon as possible. I'm holding.
I wish I could find a guy's number when I worked in the call center.
Yeah.
When I tried to sell the stock market college course, me was like, no, I will never trade. The markets are gonna crash. The JSE is gonna crash.
Oh, really?
And I
Did he say that?
yeah.
No,
But now looking at all, it's going for all-time highs. It's like, yo, that guy is probably kicking himself right now.
Chad, that's the thing. If you're always going to be pessimistic and saying markets are going to crash, then are you telling me? Then you're telling me capitalism is dead, and you're telling me that nobody wants to make money anymore, and that all of us are going to go live in tents, and we're going to sell all of our stuff, and we're going to not use money. We're going to use the barter system where we sell vegetables, some of the things we have, and we're just going to do barter trade.
Or some would say New World Order.
Hey, Chevy, dis is ons gecancel kry, soos 'n Russiese jong man. Sounds like Robert. Oh, dude, I think Robert had a good run. I think he must relax now. Like, to just say a lot of shit to stay relevant. Like, I don't have an issue with the guy. I'm yet to finish Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I'm like 70% through. Everyone's like, have you never read it? Dude, sorry. But I'm busy with it. But yeah, also some of the guys say a lot of stuff just to stay relevant and hype people up. Okay, guys. JV's still holding on there. Let's quickly, we've got 3 minutes 35 here for gold. Let's check JV. JV.
Yeah, so the previous 5-minute candle
Alright.
closed on a doji, so indecision.
Okay.
So that's the
No, it's
reason why
looking-
I would still hold it. So we'll see on this
Alrighty,
next 5-minute
alrighty.
candle. But once we have a full candle closure, that indicates above or below, and we'll decide whether we hold or close.
Alrighty, Chad, that is Jev. Here we go. Gold. Here we go. This is going to be the first candle closure above, and I don't even want to jinx it, guys. But we might not get a bottom wick here. I'm very honest. If we have no bottom wick, I'm not taking it, unfortunately. If you wanna, yeah, Chad, I don't even know what to. Gold has just been a beast. Let's see. Let's not jinx it. Let's be positive here. We're gonna get an orderly close here. We're gonna get a beautiful bottom wick. It's gonna come down. It's gonna give us all time to put our buy stop in. It's gonna flip bullish and it's gonna be aggressive. It's gonna vibrate. That way it looks like it's gunning. It's gonna go like that, and all of us are gonna be happy. It's gonna be like, oh, Chris, beautiful. You called it last night in the G's chat, in the team call. It's so beautiful to see it play out in real time. Chris, what is PDH? That is previous daily high. Okay, guys, so get ready. 1 minute. 1 minute. Will we get the buy stops, or will this thing just penetrate the short sellers? Find out in the next episode of Trading with the Joneses. Alrighty. Okay, here we go, Chad. Get ready. Get ready. 1 minute. And as we want to take a trade at P, it's like my body's like, no, Chris, we want you to go and P now. Okay, Chad. So all the stream hoppers, come back now. Get off the other streams. We about to execute. Come back. Check the viewer count. Jump now. 40, 50 viewers. Get ready. Look at that. Come over. Close the other stream. Mute the other stream. You can literally see the viewer count. Come back. All right, the guys are back. Come get your signal. All right. Alrighty. Okay, Chad, here we go. 10 seconds. Get ready. What I want to see, again, I'm saying this now. this thing could literally, as this candle closes, the next candle, by the time you see it on trading view, it could be trading here, up here.
Chris, just a quick one. Guys, I'm going to scratch
Okay.
oil there because we're going to close below that 50% point.
Okay, let me, so JV doing his trade there.
With 9 pips. 9 pips.
Okay, guys, there you can see it. Okay, just going back to gold. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so we didn't teleport. I just want to see a bottom wick. That's all I want to see. Test this level. Come back here for us gold. All you need to do. We're not asking much. 7 pip pullback. Pullback. Let's break the highs. Let's run it on a Friday for the team. Don't do that no bottom wick thing. Please don't do that. Okay. Okay. Who of you, I know some of you are already in, you're not waiting. Be honest. Show of hands, who's already in gold buys now? Be honest, I know, Chad, I know you guys. You think I don't know you. I know you. Who's already in? In. Look at Ibrahim. Ibrahim is in. Dude, Chad, I'm not in yet. And again, I'm more than happy to miss this. The idea I'm telling you is that there's going to be a liquidity drive, but the thing is, I cannot take it with no bottom wick. I cannot.
Someone said, Chris, we are in. We trust you.
Who said that?
Yo, that's faith. That's faith.
I did it with yesterday's trade. I'm relaxed today. Okay. Yeah, nice, Chad. If you, yeah, here's the sad, not even, it's not even a sad thing, but here's the thing. Some of you made some good money this week by me giving, for instance, like the trade yesterday, saying like, I want to sell once it closes below here, and all I want to see is, I just want to see a little bit of a pullback and then the break, and some of you just executed on it. Bevan, for instance, asking me about the 4 hour yesterday, saying, Chris, do you think it's a bad buy? Yeah. When this candle closed, yeah. He said, Chris, do you think it's a bad buy because there's that consolidation you spoke of? If I buy this candle close, and I said, dude, I like it. We went through everything. I don't know if Bevan is still in, but yeah, if Bev is still in, holy moly, that's like 320 pips, and I'm minus 9 pips for the week. That is the weird part. That I didn't get my executions. If you were feeling a little bit frisky, you ate this week. Very aggressive if you guys want. I don't know if I feel it. Is to take buy stops above here. Buy stops above there. Let me just see. But just look at this. No, you can't. 32. Yeah, no, it's not even a. No, I'm not gonna take it there. If we don't get a bottom wick, I'm more than fine. If you had a good week, you can take buy stops above here. Very aggressive. What you can also do is once this 5 minute breaks above there, you can literally have your stop somewhere here in the middle. I would say your stops are not really safe there, but you're basically risking 20 pips for a potential move here for like a drive. Okay, you are risking 20 pips here for a quick drive to at least like 23.75, because remember, previous daily high, weekly high, things can really start to drive from here. So if you want to take it, I'm not going to take it. I'm technically down 9 pips for the week. I haven't had a good start, but if you want to take it, I'm giving it to you at your own risk. There you go. There you can see it. Beautiful to see it. I didn't take it. Already 16, 17, 18 pips. Project G, guys, take note. We spoke about this last night. We've seen this happen 3 times this week. So I already showed you guys what to look out for. Okay.
Yo, what's happening to GJ?
I don't trade GJ.
Yo, I think just a spike out of nowhere.
Okay. So if you took it on this break, Chad, the way that I would manage, you don't want to over manage it, but also you don't want to take a chance here because it can very easily reverse here. Previous daily high there. Personally, if I was in, dude, I don't know. I think I would have gone break even because here's the thing, or I would have kept my stop below the previous 5. So if you took it, you can put your stop just below here because we shouldn't drive down here. It's got no business coming back here if it's going to drive. So if you took it there, reduce your stops to like a 10 pip. Give yourself 10 pips. This thing already ran 17 pips. So yeah, 10 pip stop. Okay. Yeah, I would say do that. Put your stops down there. For some of the other scalping channels, you already hit 4 TPs. From what I've heard, what the guys tell me. If you were on some of the other streamers, you basically TP 1 to 5 was hit. Your TP 1 was at entry, so you literally close so that you can pay the broker. And then your TP 1 to 5 is in 5 pip increments. So literally in this move there was 5 TPs. And then what you do is you go on a 1 minute and you shout and you say TP 1 to 5 creamed. And if you really want to mark it well, you actually get the version where you can go to the seconds chart. Then it just looks amazing. Then it's like, what chart is that? Oh, it's the seconds chart. Sheesh. Every pip is a TP, bro. Every 20 TP's just been clapped. Yeah, I would say this previous 5 minute low, then your stop is 11 pips. You're giving yourself at least a chance to sit through this potential pullback. Remember, 30 minute has also closed now. Beautiful 30 minute break above. So you could get this 30 minute just creating a bottom wick, and then once this 30 minute breaks its own high and the previous high, that's when you're going to get that next injection of volume. That's when the market's going to start vibrating again. Yeah, that's that next shot of adrenaline.
Could you show it back on my screen, Chris?
Yes. Let me do it for you, JV. Sorry, man.
So just look what oil did. So literally, we closed and then we had that spike going back slightly above entry, but obviously we managed our risk there. But then it's still looking good. But I would want to see, for instance, on the 5 minute, this little internal fair value, inverse fair value gap over here. If we can just have a closure above this level and it basically holds and potentially do something like this, like a little retest, then I will look for re-entry. But let's wait and see.
Who from Project G is in the chat? Yeah. 2G's trading. I closed it at 200 pips yesterday. Oh, Bev. Chad. I like it. Bev taking some initiative yesterday. Sheesh. PMIs out of Britannia. Alright, so manufacturing PMIs coming out relatively flat, barely beating it. So Chad, this is alarming for the European economy as well as the British economy. It is showing a slowdown. Alright, Chad, so if you add your stops here, you are still in. Now it's a question of, do you survive this little bottom wick? Will it come and tickle your stop here and then run all the way up? I'm not in. This is the previous daily high. Yeah, no. I've got zero FOMO, no FOMO. No FOMO here for me. Let's just check here. Is that aircon still on?
Yeah.
Is it?
It seems like it's going on now.
What are you getting hot in here?
No, I'm a winter baby. I'm cold-blooded.
Project G, we out here. Alright, okay. Project G, guys, this was a typical example of what we talked about, that liquidity building. Dollar rejecting at R1. That was the previous daily high, was down here. Also a little gap here, so I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar goes for this little gap fill here. Something like this. That could make a lot of sense. But gold, as long as gold holds yesterday's high, this red zone, this thing is gonzo. This becomes a pivot, Chad. Yesterday's high, this zone here, that becomes a pivot / support. If you trade support and resistance, you want to monitor this level here. Alright. What is NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ is still curling. This is yesterday's low. So monitor that level there. Pound USD bouncing off the S1 key level. Alright. Yesterday's low, yeah. Asia lows and yesterday's low. Oh, Chad, price is all over the place here. Look at this though, 80 on Euro USD. So this entire move, this wasn't driven by sellers. Or let me put it this way, the sell volume didn't increase here. This was to fill some buy orders, it seems. So very, very interesting. There's that key level. I don't know where we get these key levels from, but every time price does something off those levels. Gold playing with your guys' emotions here. GBP USD also now at the half round. Yo, Chad, it is messier. It is messier today. Okay. Gold was like, not today, boys. Not today. I'm still going to stick around here for a bit, see what gold does here. Previous daily high and 23.65. 80 not really showing a whole lot of strength here, guys. Look at the 80. Look at yesterday's high. That high right there. Look at the 80. That was also the high of the accumulation distribution. But look at this. 80 not taking out the highs, but price taking out the highs. So very interesting to see. Very, very interesting. Markets doing Friday things. Yeah, Savage. I think what threw the markets off was that Juneteenth. that bank holiday. So I think it just mixed things up. So somebody may be taking a longer weekend. Start. Now you start the week, then it's a bank holiday. Now you're back in it. It's like, it's such a weird, awkward day for a bank holiday. So Angara Messi. I thought it's one of the guys we listen to, yeah. Young G's in the chat. Chris, thanks. Gold did me good. Closed all positions in blue. Beautiful, my brother. Beautiful. Nvidia down 3.54%. Chad, Nvidia's got a pulse. It is human. Let's see. Oh, Nvidia, baby. Let's see. I don't even think Nvidia is on my red list. Let's check. My purple list, definitely on my purple list. Let's quickly check. Yeah, it is on my purple list. Let's find it for you guys. Alrighty, Nvidia. Chad, this is a weekly chart. Please tell me how this is healthy price movement. Please tell me how 1,200% move on a very big company is healthy. Anyways.
Sure. Don't look for shorts.
Ooh, no. No. You can look for shorts. You can look for the shorts.
You can knock yourself out.
You can enjoy those shorts. You can really hurt yourself with some shorts. Shorts are for summer, JB. I thought you know this.
No. I wouldn't wanna.
We wear shorts in the summer.
I don't wanna short.
We don't
that.
short the stock market. We wear shorts. My friend bought Nvidia around 2000, if I remember correctly. I asked him the other day how much is it up? 700%. Oh, beautiful. Shorting stocks in general is risky, 100%. I'm a capitalist, so I'm not shorting anything. The only thing I'm shorting, the big short coming. Are you coming to the office, Ed? With big shorts on or what? Chris, your chart on gold. My chart on gold is Owanda. It's a Owanda chart. It is Owanda. Alright, Chad. Interesting, yeah. Previous daily high. Not holding the previous daily high. What is the dollar doing? Alrighty, dollar coming for that little gap close here. Okay, let's see. Let us see. Yeah, this week has been very, very tricky. Getting the direction right, easy part. Getting involved on the action, completely different story. Chad, what's the plans for the weekend? Let me know what you guys have planned for the weekend. I'm going to take it easy. I wanted to go and play some golf, but I don't think that's going to happen. Maybe, let me take a chance here with, let me ask my wife. Or let me ask Ruan. Chad, let me take a chance here. Let me phone my wife. Let me see how this goes down. Can we play golf tomorrow? Painting in the house for the weekend. Okay. Yo. Hopefully she's got a good day and she's like, ja. Ja.
Enig iets vir jou.
Enig iets vir jou, my spiertiertjie. Enig iets vir jou, my papa beer.
Chad, I am very tempted here on oil. I'm gonna take a re-entry on that position we took. So right here at current. Oh no. It's moving. I'm not gonna enter on something to remove now. Let's wait and see if it will come back. Let's wait and see if it can come back.
Chad, that's the thing with my wife. When she says, jy kan gaan golf speel as jy wil. I don't know what that means. Gaan speel golf as jy wil. Yeah, I never know, like, it's that, like, they say you can do something, but you don't know. It's like they say it, but they don't mean it. Jy kan gaan golf speel as jy wil.
They want you to be like, oh, maybe I shouldn't go. And be like, I'm so...
bro, it's like, what do you mean, gaan speel golf as jy wil? Like, I wouldn't have asked you if I didn't want to play golf. As jy wil, gaan speel golf.
You know that meme of that old guy where he goes, I'm proud of you. Do you know that? I'm sure you've seen it.
Yeah.
That's literally what they want to say to us when we say, oh no, it's fine, we're going to stay home. I'm proud of you, you know?
You're getting it. Chad, okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a shot here. 2 minutes when this candle closes. So what it did was it took the previous low, it held 23.65. It's closing back above the previous daily high. Again, all I want to see is a low bottom wick, then a break of the high. And then the idea is that we go to 23.74 and we call it a day. Okay. So yeah, just gonna wait for a tiny little bottom wick, a nice little retest of the previous daily high, and then we're gonna go with the buy stop, and that will be my position. So get ready. Beautiful. If you're on other streams, come back again. Come back. Get heard the traders, heard everybody, get everybody back. Gain 1% or 0.5%. No, dude, I'm going full margin. I don't believe in going 0.5%. If I do something, I do it with everything in me. And when it comes to my trading account, I put everything on the line. I'm kidding, Chad. That is horrific. Okay, get ready. 25 seconds. We're just going to wait for that bottom wick, and then we are going to start looking for those buys. Get ready. Get ready. Alrighty, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. This playlist is just working on me. Alrighty, bottom wick. Test the previous daily high. Buy stops above there. Okay, beautiful. Come down. Come down. Come. A little bit more. Come a little bit more. Do more for us. Do more. Chad. I've placed my buy stops just above these highs. Buy stops not triggered yet. Buy stops there. I'll tell you when it's triggered. Not triggered yet. Buy stops at 2366,725. Let me put that. 2366,725. Buy stops have now officially been activated, and stop loss is going to be 225. Tight little stop there. Let's make it 25. Let's give ourselves at least some breathing room. Let's give ourselves at least a little something to work with. Okay. And we are targeting 2374. Alrighty, there we go. I'm just gonna grab some water, Chad. They already in. Oh, okay, already in.
All good.
Hopefully when I come back, we've already pushed up $10.
Yeah, that oil position where I said we must get in, it's, if you guys took it, you should be in profit, but I'm gonna wait for it to come back down to that demand, and then I'll get in. It's looking good now. It's looking good. It's purely because I don't take other people's trades. Yo. Get ready there, guys. Just get ready there. I'm gonna take oil soon.
Whoa, Jeff. Did the markets freeze? Bro, I was away for 2 minutes and this thing hasn't even moved.
No, it's breathing. It's breathing.
Is it breathing? I want this thing to start rocketing. It shouldn't breathe, you know what I mean?
Just want to grab some sweeteners quickly.
No, Chad, I think I want to jump out of this, This is not what I wanted to see. This is not what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a move here, not pause here. No, Chad, I'm out. I'm killing it. I killed it on the close. Literally on the close there. I'm out of it. That is not what I wanted to see. So if you want to stay in at minus 6 pips, that is not what I wanted to see here. And if you don't believe me, let me just show you guys. I'm going to tell you now why I closed it. I'm going to tell you now why I closed it. Let me just show you guys before the haters or whatever are going to come on here. Oh, this guy doesn't take the trades, he shares. There. Okay, let me just take you guys through why I killed the trade there. Right there. So first things first. We are at a level, and listen closely here. We're at a level where the market is going to induce volume. There's going to be volume at this level. The thing is, there's no break even, trapping you at that level. And then secondly, I wanted to see us drive away from this level. I didn't want to see a pause here. So even if it runs now, not interested. Because the idea with this is that this is an engulfing candle. It took the previous candle's low there. If you go onto the Discord as well, it took the previous candle's high as well.
Chris, quickly, I'm entering that oil. I'm re-entering it.
Are you double dipping on the oil?
Yeah, so I'm 12 pip stop, and I think it's really starting to move towards the upside.
Okay, so there's Jeff's trade. He's entering. I just want to go back to gold real quick. Just finish the. So the idea is that I don't want to see us come back down here, because if we are going to trade away from this level, exactly what we talked about last night in the call, if a level is strong enough and if buyers feel like they are getting a good price for it, they're not going to stick around here. They're going to place their orders and they're going to get price away. This rejecting that after breaking the high, remember when I came back I said flip, for 3 minutes we were literally sitting here. What is the other thing I always say? A good trade does not range. A good trade usually goes into your favor very quickly. So just the fact that we took out that high, we couldn't even push to come and retest the session highs up here, is showing me that this thing is not ready to move. And that's why I killed it there. So Chad, just to give you some context, minus 6.5 pips. Hello. Still in here, man. Awesome. Francis. Rara. Yeah, man. Bij die links en hoeveel gaan ons vragen? Vraag wat strijden, je kan het strijden. Zet voor de lijst. Ja, het is echt. Zet voor de lijst een goede prijs. Zeg eens van Pia voor de vraag support. Nee. Vat verder, dat is ja. Oké. Okay. And ek's happy. Alright. Thanks for the carry. Somebody's saying DXY is trending. Gold is also trending, my brother. But yeah, gold, yeah. Gave it a shot, minus 6.5 pips. Not even gonna cry about it. Gave it a good shot. from here, not going to do anything else. If you look at all of the previous sessions, around about this time, 11 o'clock, that is usually when we go into some type of consolidation. So go check from 11. That is usually when things start to retrace for the New York session. Let's go back in this week. 11, some type of range. Let's check where was 11 here. Okay, this was at 12. Let's go and check Tuesday 11, still trending, but then went into this extended range. Yeah, no, chat, I think when it comes to gold, is there another chance to get in here? No, chat, I'm not, no, I gave it a shot. It is still valid though. Here's the thing. It is still valid above 2365, and it is definitely still valid if we hold the previous daily high. So if you want to stick around for it and you want to marry the idea, I'm going to say if you took it there, you just want to make sure that we hold above this level. But for me personally, as much as I want to see this thing drive up, and as much as I want to be involved in it when it goes up again, not here. This is not clean for me. This was clean. This I could have worked with. Let me do this. That I could have worked with. But why is it showing there? But anyways, but not this now. We're staying in. Of course you guys are staying in. I didn't even doubt you guys. I didn't even doubt you boys for 1 minute. Something what I mentioned to Jev was in terms of the structure, something that I need to go back on is, for instance, if you think about it, the structure low, but the thing is it's just too wide. I cannot have a stop sitting here. That's almost 36 pips. That's why I'm playing a little bit more aggressive. But in technical terms, while this low here stays intact, this thing can do a 3-wave pullback here, whatever, and still continue higher, because that's the structure low. That's the low from where we broke these highs. So while that low remains protected, this is still bullish. And the flip only happens below here, especially for the SMC guys. They would know this. There's only a valid change of character once we break this low here. Otherwise, this is still internally bullish. So, but Chad, that is, I can't see anything else that I want to get stuck into. DXY, I think we're going to trade here a little bit later. Myself and Shaq, we're going to look at something for US30. I do believe we're going to get a lot of volume, Chad. We had quite a bit of PMI data coming out. Dollar, gold already. Gold just running from Asia lows almost, what was this, $15 move. Yeah, 12.5. So already it is a day where there's going to be volume. NASDAQ, previous daily low, Chad. I hope you guys are taking notes. Previous daily low. Project G boys, I said go and do your homework these coming weeks. Go take those 2 pages of that Word document I sent you. Time to go to work. We're gonna start chatting about this next week. It's something that I've used in the past. It's something that I stopped using. It's something that I'm busy reincorporating. So all of us have some work to do. Other than that, Chad, nothing for me. Nothing for me. Is there anything else that you guys want to have a look at? But for me, I'm going to wait now for NYSE session and see if I can grab something there. Nee, ek dink is van die eerste af, Etienne, as ek nie mis het nie. I'm gonna check. Okay, let me just answer you quickly, Chad. JV, let's see.
Yes.
How is oil doing there? Is that a second chart or what? Is that a 5-minute chart?
It's a 5-minute.
Okay. Hey, JV. JV.
You're patiently waiting. Just want to see it break above
Alright.
this pivot in this level. Then we're good to go.
Alright, Chad. Who's in oil with Jev? Are you going live during NYSE? We are going live. We've got a guy with the name of Shaquille Samay from all the way from America, where he was one of the traders on the floors there. He was literally trading on the floor, not a trading floor, trading on the floor. But anyways, no, I'm kidding. I'm new to Project G personally in not trading gold until I build more. Dude, you 100%. Even gold, that's the thing. I'm not going to say I'm respecting gold too much, but the way gold has been moving and the way how it's been going very one-sided and lopsided for me, I'm rather too careful than try and get loose with gold, because as soon as you start loosening yourself up with gold, gold will really, really hurt you real quick. Believe me when I say that. And 2 trades for me this week, and I am down 15 pips. So that's technically for me 0.5%. My full percent is 32 pips, or my full R. So very slow week. I'm down 0.5%. Do I feel any type of FOMO? Not really. Not really. Would I have loved to be in some of the moves? Absolutely. Believe it or not. Called the direction beautifully. Just didn't get what I wanted to see. And that's a lot of times the unfortunate thing. It's one thing calling the move. It's easy to call a move. The difficult part is getting into the trade and then managing the trade, believe it or not. Calling trades is easy. Calling
It's like, for instance, these people who would say, oh no, trading is easy. Oh guys, go break even on oil. Nice little pump there. Nice little pump. Like these guys would say, oh no, trading is easy, buy low and sell high, but then no one teaches them where is low and where is high.
Dollar index, I'm still seeing higher. I'm super bullish on it. I don't know if the earlier part of the session we talked about the dollar being bullish, easy. We said weekly R1 105.73. As long as we stay above 105.22, we are bullish. So if you use the EYES indicator, which our Father in Heaven blessed most of us with, you would have seen to the right of my screen here the bias. I don't know, the bias there, yeah. The weekly bias, the daily bias. But I think maybe you missed the earlier part of the session. So best indicator in the game. That's why we need to thank the Father every morning. The second best indicator is one that a lot of people don't use, and that is the ARS indicator. It is a very, very powerful indicator. Chad, do I want to get in here again? Am I naughty for wanting to get in here again? What am I doing? Because it's holding the previous daily high. How did the hourly close? I think the hourly closed doji. No, okay, Wickful. Chad, you guys are still in, eh? I know some of you still. What do you guys think? Are we gonna take? Are we gonna give it one more? A break above here. We give it beans for one more time. Little internal break there. What do you guys rate? Dylan Hansen, DH, naughty buy. Team, what do you rate? We do here? We're holding the 2365 level. We're holding above the previous daily high level. Yes, the only thing is our entry is pretty bad now. Like we're already almost 19, 20 pips away from the okay, but our other entry was also not yeah. Chad, let's see how this 5 closes. Alright, I'm still in buys. Okay, Victor still in buys. Let's see how this 5 closes. We'll make a call there. Hey, JV. JV didn't even tell you guys to go break even. Who took the oil with
No, I did tell him to go break even.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Sorry, man. I was so focused on gold. Hey, Chad. This one's for JV.
No, thank you.
Hey, Jeff, beautiful, man. That is... Dude, Jeff came in this morning and he did say, he said, Chris, I'm just letting you know it is going to be a bad day to be a partial closure and a TP. But he said we're going to go for a partial closure just to get stuck into the market. And then after that, we're going to clap some TPs.
Or like FBK says, you give the broker a piece of the pie, then you take the whole pie.
Hey, okay. Did he say that?
Yeah. So that's his modification strategy when you trade news, one account buys, one account sells.
Chad, listen here. Look at gold. Chad. I'm going to have to sit down a little bit with my trade management this last week. Because again, even when I told JV now, the internal structure, taking it there, we never broke the internal structure, but the thing was, I'm gonna journal my 2 trades this week, really go and digest how to get because the thing is, you can't play it too safe with the amount of volume we had. There's times where you need to get a little bit aggressive, not lose your mind. This is just so aggressive. So late in the session, already having all of the data out of the way. Oh, okay, Chad, let's have a look here. No. Yes, bro, this is just ugly structure here. This is no. No, Chad. But it's holding the previous daily high. That's my thing here, Chad. That's the chat I'm having here with myself. we've got that little wick fill here. Yeah, the thing is it can easily go and fall this week and then break higher, but the way, no. No, Chad. Idea's right. It's ticking all the boxes, but I'm not gonna take it. Previous daily high holding, grid level holding. No, not interested. We've got this advantage point of this wick fill. You can, if you're still in from the previous trade, you can go break even here, because that's where the next surge of volume is going to come in. But for me, I'm going to wait for NYSE. I feel like the move we wanted to catch was from here. That's the level we set this morning. We never got the retest. And please take notes from me. Don't go and completely revise your strategy when there's times like this, when the market just moves. Don't go now back and all of a sudden now it's like, oh, if there's one candle closure above, I take it. No. There are going to be times like this, but there's also going to be times where the order flow is going to be very nice. You're going to get your break. You're going to get your retest. You're going to get whatever you're looking for in your plays, and it's going to work out beautifully. So please do not change your strategy based off 1 week's worth of price action, even 2 weeks, even 3. Still stick to your plan. And let's see what JV's doing there. Ooh, JV, oil coming back, my brother.
No, we're good. We're good.
You're good?
We're good.
Okay. All right, Chad, we're going to sit with JV here for a couple of minutes. Let's see if we can drive that thing over the line. Sweep that liquidity. 1% of your allowed daily drawdown, yes, in total. Chris, why not buy lower? No, here's the thing. I would love to buy lower, but obviously the market has not shown us any intent to come lower yet, Savage. So that's the thing. The order flow is still very much bullish. So that's the thing. You want to trade with the trend.
Here's a quote on that. The trend's your friend.
I'm going to give you guys 4 quotes. Caught a beautiful 1 to 3 on Euro USD. Somebody in the G's chat. Beautiful. Alrighty. Keegan already sending something out there for the boys. Chat, I'm gonna give you 4 points. Grab a pen here. I'm giving you 4 points. This is for people. 4 points. Principle 1. A trend has a higher probability of continuation than reversal. Alright, Chevy, you agree with that?
Yeah.
A trend has a higher probability of continuation than reversal. Remember when we talked about NASDAQ? The path of least resistance is up. Okay? Even though your mind tells you you want to short it.
Yeah, don't confuse a pullback with a reversal.
Okay. Chad, that's the one. Pen in hand. Principle 2. Momentum precedes price. Momentum precedes price. And what that basically means is momentum will come into the market and then the price will be of significance, certain price levels, whatever, but momentum precedes price. So you want to, irrespective of the price where you're trading at, if there's momentum, then you go with that momentum. Don't be like, oh, this price, this or that. No, dude, there's momentum. So this thing is obviously moving. So don't be caught up in the price you're paying for a stock or something. Momentum precedes price. Principle 3. Trends end in a climax. This is not your first night of marriage where you end in a climax. No, trends end in a climax. And what that means is basically that no trend is gonna reverse off going into a range. No, it's gonna give something spectacular where it's gonna really pump. It's really gonna hurt the short sellers. And when everyone is at the stage of saying, listen here, this thing can't go down, this market cannot lose, that is exactly when the clap is going to come. And then principle 4, and this is the one from Larry Williams as well. I always speak about this. Drill this into your head. The market alternates between range expansions and range contractions. And what do I mean by that? You've heard me so many times speak about it. Where Larry also talks about it, and he's saying that small ranges go into big ranges, and big ranges go back into small ranges. So think of it as a daily candle. I'm going to actually show you guys now something on the daily candle, where a lot of people, you've heard me so many times say, Chad, we are in for a big volume day. Let's look at US30 on the daily. Yesterday, what did I say yesterday when we were on stream? Yesterday morning and yesterday evening, I said we're in for a massive volume day, not just because of the bank holiday in the United States. Small ranges go into big ranges, all right? So if you ever see something like this happening, just be aware that the market is setting up for a big move. Go to gold, 4-hour time frame. Small range, big expansion. Go to the 5-minute yesterday for the guys that joined during NYSE. Small range, I talked about it yesterday. I still said I want to get into the buys here. And again, called. I didn't take it. I didn't say, oh guys, I'm looking can change, but these are principles, and I hope you wrote them down, that will never ever change. Okay? The G has spoken, Shotman. It's a pleasure, my brother. I think 2:30, 3:30 is when the NYC opens, depending on daylight. 3:30 opening. 3:30. Like I told the guys yesterday on the 2G's call, a big part of my life has been dedicated to this craft. That's why I know of every strategy. Like I can, if you want to tell me you want to trade SMC, I can do a full SMC course for you. If you tell me you want to trade ICT, I can sit you down and I can show you everything about ICT. If you tell me you want to trade harmonic patterns, I can sit you down and I can trade harmonic patterns with you. If you tell me whatever you want to trade, because that is just how deep I went into this thing.
And I feel like also that's a good example to kind of show people that if you really want to master trading, like you will do everything it takes to actually understand the graph and not think that, oh, one course, I know everything now, you know.
But in the same vein, JV, I also told the guys that it's also not good though. Don't think I'm telling you to go and study all of the methods there's available, because for me at one stage I was like a madman. I wanted to execute, but I couldn't, because my mind was filled with
so many things,
4,000 strategies, and with the one strategy I can enter, with the other one the entry criteria hasn't been met, and then at one stage I couldn't even take a trade. Literally, I couldn't take a trade,
Analysis paralysis.
and that's when I had to go back and say, listen, yeah, you're gonna have to do something, dude. You can't sit here and every single day you say, okay, no, tomorrow you're gonna take a trade. I'm gonna first watch this trade. This is my idea, and you see it play out. But you never get to the stage where you're like, okay, let me take this trade. So,
Oh, Mr. Carl James in the chat. How you doing, my man?
Carl James coming for his daily bias. Carl, we are bullish on gold. We are bullish. No, I'm kidding. Carl James LLC. Trading, you should never overcomplicate it. You will miss all the moves. Yes. Jeff clapping the oil bars. Sheesh. Clap. Bad day to be a seller on oil. Yeah, Chad. Jeff has officially joined the Fortnite clan. I can already see Jeff that with that bad posture behind the PC.
Okay, awesome. Bye-bye.
Hy's daar agter in die hoek, julle. Hy's daar. Ja, daar. Ek sê dan vir julle, hy's daar agter in die hoek.
Wait, what?
Oh, Chad, be honest. Now I said, I can already see you that gamer with the bad posture, like you sit there like locked in, and then after 3 hours you're like, shit, why is my back so sore?
So
But
also,
you're sitting like a prawn. I do the same thing, and then after a while, here's my thing. So, Chad, this is what I do. So when I sit at the PC, Jeff, you see, I'm putting my toes up like this, and your calf. And then after a game, so for 45 minutes, you've been straining your calf. And when I stand up, and it's like I've been through a battle. It's like I ran a marathon, but I was literally playing a game of data for like 40 minutes.
and I can imagine because like you get so locked into the game, you're so focused on what your hands are doing, you don't realize what your other body parts are doing. So
yeah.
so last time with me
sure.
also, like I think you mentioned now, so I don't have a gaming chair yet. That's on my wish list basically for my next withdrawal. So I actually took one of our couches to the room.
Yeah.
Now I'm sitting there like on a literal couch. Now because my desk, I have to pull it all the way in, but then it's still like space. So I put a pillow behind me, so I'm actually like pushed a bit forward. And last night I catch myself, obviously now there's a lot of zombies. And I'm shooting, and also like I catch myself tensing up in like like what?
Sheesh, my boy. Hey, the man is caught up in the gaming.
Kyle, sorry Ben, I'll make sure to add you to my signals group to make sure you don't miss out on it again.
Etty, I actually put that not on hold. So I had a chat with my coach, and I said I just want to get this move done, moving into the new offices. And once we get that done, I'm gonna restart the training. It was just there wasn't a balance. Like every single night, I leave the office like late, like after 6-7 o'clock. So yeah, I just told him, for me personally, and the thing is, it started causing anxiety for me because I've got sessions on my program, and when I miss that, mentally that hurts me. Like I hate not doing something that I've put out to do. So I said, listen, let's just give it like 2-3 weeks, and then I'm gonna have to like recoup. But it's in Addo. So I told him like just for that mental, because it's like it's weird to say, man. There's like this monkey on your shoulder. and it's like, you know, you have to do it. It was almost with me like when I was studying part-time. An assignment would be due for 2 months, but even when you lay in the evenings at home and you're taking some downtime, then it's like this thing here on the back of your head, like, bro, why are you laying down? You've got a massive assignment. And it's like, no, but I'll start it tomorrow.
Just to answer David there. So I don't know a lot about PCs, but basically 16 gigabytes RAM, 256 SSD, AMD CPU, MSI motherboard, and yeah, this is a lot. Yeah.
It's a gaming PC. It's for gamers. Yes, ek hoop nie ek is 'n olifant wat tussen die ander olifante hardloop. Ja, no chat, so gonna have to really knuckle it down. What messed me up, or not messed me up, was remember we started the streams an hour later before daylight savings stopped. So that worked perfectly for me to go every morning to do my session in the morning. And then also the session in the afternoon was also a little bit later. So if I had to do a double session, I did the other session during lunchtime. But now it's like 8:30 we start. I drop my daughter off at 7. I get to the office just after 7. Then you start prepping for the morning. Do like a quick little office meeting, run through some of the stuff there. But yeah, it's unfortunately that balance, to try and find that balance. Carl James, no, he's definitely, the man lives on a golf course. Chad, I just heard Ruan said it seems we're going to St. Francis Links tomorrow. Just another horrific course. Like, you don't even want to, St. Francis Links. You don't want to be a part of that course. So I asked him, he must ask them how much they will pay us to play there, because playing on the third best golf course in South Africa is not, you don't want to be there. Absolutely not. I'm based in Port Elizabeth. Chad, yeah, so tomorrow, beautiful. Top 3. I don't know if I would rate it top 3, but it is top 3. Jack Nicklaus designed course. In terms of playing Pazula over the weekend and then going here, like I told Ruan as well, the course maintenance on St. Francis Links is like I've never seen before. The photos don't do it justice. The grass, it's bent grass. I don't know if you guys know what bent grass is. It almost looks like a mat. Let me just show you quickly. It's got a very fine little texture. It's a very soft grass. Like, even if you touch it, it's like, the first time I saw it, I actually thought when I walked up to the tee, I'm like, jeez, these guys have mats. I honestly thought it was a mat when I saw it for the first time, and they were like, no, that's grass. I'm like, no, there's no way this is grass. And they're like, dude, it's grass. Like, I had to pull some of it out, and I'm like, okay, I believe you. But anyways, so it seems.
Okay, guys, so I'm moving my stop into profit there, 6 pips in profit. We're almost at TP.
Oh, JV, what a trade, man. Beautiful. Who says SMC can't pay the bills, huh?
Yeah. They must just do the hybrid method.
Sheesh.
And not try and buy every single supply in the demand zone.
Listen here, JV. Now that Now that you first mastered the STC concept, that's why I've got a child coming in the next. Is it 2 months? Is it 2 months?
Yeah, in August on my birthday. That's the
Okay.
due date on my birthday. So the plan
Are you
is.
talking about a hybrid between the STC and the SMC, or what hybrid are you talking about?
A bit of both. You have to. There's something called semen retention. So apparently, when you hold your semen, you become smarter. So the guys who, they lose too much, they have to reflect a bit.
Etty, I was invited to play fan court with some. A friend of mine, they bought a 4-ball. Sorry. They bought a 4-ball on an auction, school auction. The kids go to Outeniqua, and they phoned me over December, and I said, "Listen, it's just way too difficult because we were in Mossel Bay December." And I said, "Let's try for Jan." And then obviously Jan was we just kicked off with a lot of plans and a lot happening. So no, unfortunately, I had the opportunity, and I still told them, I said, "Listen, I'll make a plan," but it was just so busy that I couldn't get away from the office. That's the first thing, and then the second thing is helping my wife with the kids, taking my daughter to school evenings. So being a parent, it's not something you can do alone. So that's why even with that Cape Town trip, we had to condense it into 3 days, because it is just difficult as a parent to get 2 kids ready for school, get yourself ready for work, get them to school, after work, pick them up, food, all of that. So it's a sacrifice that if I go away, that my wife makes, but it's not something that I like to do, because I know I've been with the kids as well alone, and it's tough. So maybe a little bit later. Maar Arabella, ek het al gehoor van Arabella, definitief. Wait, Ed, Jay, what did you say about semen retention? Does it give you more brain power?
So the theory behind semen retention. Okay, so the theory behind it is also why Nikola Tesla was so smart, because he died a virgin, because he kept all his semen. And the idea behind it is because it's energy, it literally has the power to bring life. Literally, you can bring life. So imagine you take your life energy, throw it in toilet paper, and you flush it. Is that what you think of your force? And I don't know. Try it out, guys. Try it out. I will say, when I started doing it, I started seeing a lot of results.
Chad, I'm done. I'm finished. Jeff, no, man. No, man. No, not Jeff. No, man, not Jeff. Don't talk nonsense here. Let me see. No, Jeff. Okay, Chad, let's see. Do we have research backing up that semen retention is directly correlated to cognitive function, directly correlated to cognitive function. Okay, let's see. What the in a recent paper, we reported a positive association between general intelligence and semen quality, not retention. So smarter people had better quality semen. Okay. Let's see here. NIH. Is ejaculation frequency in men related to general and mental health? looking back, looking forward. Okay, chat. I'm not gonna read the abstract. We might get cancelled, so I'll just read it and I'll tell you. Frequency, okay. Okay, this makes sense. So there's a knowledge gap in that space, Jeff. So there's not a lot of research backing it up. The reason for that, general lack of interest in the subject, like why is it important to keep the semen in me? But also methodologically, methodologically, okay, this is a spell mistake because that's not, they've got a lot of O's here. Methodologically, it's challenging because how do you, there's a lot of variables.
Okay, so it is question here, like, all that pent up frustration will confuse the brain. But here's the thing. So there's actually techniques where you can have.
Nah, okay. Chad, we're done. We're done. Jeff, I know already where you go. Jeff, we're done. Chad, we're done. All right. How's that trade go? We finished. We're done.
Yeah, guys.
We're putting a fork right into it there. Believe what you must.
Yo.
If you guys can explain ICT, I would have. Jaden, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm going to save you. Don't do ICT.
I think the only reason for myself, for instance, why ICT worked out is because the method I traded was the market maker method. So I obviously had a certain structure for the day. Now with ICT, and this goes back to what I said, not every supply and demand zone is a valid supply and demand zone. So there's concepts from my ICT there's concepts from my strategy. For instance, I use a fair value gap from ICT, but the ideology behind it comes from Steve Morrow, so I'll be honest, like I have never watched a full ICT video. I can't.
Really?
I can't. Yes. You guys have to understand that once you have this skill set, and then Michael.
No, I
Show
can't.
me the fair value gap, Michael.
I heard he blew up in the Robins. Hey?
He blew up.
Yeah.
Like in he blew his account.
It's out of the Robins. He blew that account.
Oh yes, I've also heard something like that.
Somebody's saying he blew up, Chad. I don't know why we haven't put in the... Wait, let me do this while we... Yeah, he blew up, Chad. That's what I hear. He blew up. Horrific. Let me see Robin's World Cup, who's leading it. I'm profitable using ICT, definitely. No, bro, if you're profitable, beautiful. I'm just saying there's a lot easier ways.
Like for myself personally, what made me dive into like the market maker method, ICT and so forth, it was literally studying like retail patterns or like double tops, double bottoms and so forth. And it's just like, it felt like there was something missing. So knowing who I am as a person, a quote unquote conspiracy theorist, it goes back to that thing, it must suit your personality. Now, don't take this the wrong way. For myself, when I started studying the market maker method and I was taught that the market is controlled, from my belief system, it started making more sense. So I could actually relate to that because now I know who my enemy is, So it's different for everyone. So this is why also, what I think Chris said it, if you're profitable, like, it's nice to learn new things, but also like be careful not to get yourself into a death loop.
Yeah. Oh, Jeff, so you also similar to DJ Khaled, that like they don't want you to eat.
Wait, what do you mean?
They don't want you to have fun. He always talks about they.
Oh yes, them. Not them.
They
yeah,
they don't want you to succeed.
And the question is always, but who is they?
God, dude. They didn't want
Nah.
to see you go break even. They didn't want to see you hit TP 1 to 5. God, dude. And then it's like, sheesh, this man.
They don't know. We're the greatest.
Hey, JV. Listen, what was that song yesterday?
Yeah. I should listen to it all night last night.
Alphabet.
It was stuck in my head.
Chad, listen here. If you are profitable with even, I don't care what ICT method, and you can prove it, and you can show us, for instance, I don't even know what the silver bullet is, and the 2022 model. If you are profitable using that, I want to have you on a podcast. Reach out to me, send me investor logins for your account. Show me some type of payout you've received. Don't go and fabricate shit to get on the podcast, because that's just silly. But yeah, I want to see if there's anyone, because personally, I've seen a lot of guys that have done well with ICT. But then again, it's not technically
It's a combination of
just
something.
ICT. There's like elements of ICT.
Yeah. That's also what I've seen.
Because technically ICT is, what is that? Wyckoff? Is it Wyckoff? Or I don't know.
Yeah, Wyckoff.
Why it's something similar to Wyckoff, and then there's another guy that did a lot of work when it comes to fair value gaps and all of that. And
Yeah, like for instance, my mentor, we did a session the other night, and then this man taught me, like I knew about the fair value gap and the inverse fair value gap.
yeah,
Then this man, I wonder if I have a book here, but okay. Then he explained a volume fair value gap. He explained a breakaway fair value gap. He explained there's 5 different fair value gaps, and that was like blew my mind. And it's like, meanwhile, I've only been looking at these 2, but then for instance, there's so many other things out there.
what golden spoon, Etienne? Sorry, man, I don't understand. Silver bullet, golden spoon. Every strategy is profitable. I think all that's to do with your risk management.
So funny, ne? This oil trade that I looked at this morning, the first trade we took. I told the chat earlier when you were talking to Jamie, I was doing backtesting last night on oil, based from 10th of June. Yeah, from 10th of June, and this was a trade full TP. Next day there was no trade. The following day, trade full TP. No trades the following 2 days. The next trade full TP. So that was like 100% win rate, just on that week. Now I know you can't base your just on that. But then this morning, for instance, like seeing this happen, that stop, and this is an exact example why Chris also said like it's not always ideal to back your data only on little data. Then for instance, why this trade worked out, yes, because there was liquidity, but I didn't consider the demand here. And that's why that happened, for instance, you know. So it's so easy that it's so easy to fall into that. I wouldn't say it's a trap, but it's so easy to fall into that mindset of like, okay, this is it now, you know, and then you don't look at the other factors which you always do look at.
Is daar 'n strategy wat jou 150k kos? Maar se lippe. Daai lepel. Sisa. There's a million stuff out there, but it comes down to simple levels in the market. I have a coin flip strat, flip a coin if it hits. Yes, that's also profitable. Just go 1 to 2, Ed. Die een waarmee jy eerder nie jou pap eet, die lippe, yes, Etienne, stikkende lippe op die klippe. Chad, listen here, we're gonna have to wrap it up here. 10 to 12. JV, you've moved your stops into profit.
Yep.
There's a target, Chad. Asia highs. Is that your Asia high box, eh?
almost, but literally our stop was 12 pips. So we
No, I mean
running
to the left, that little blue box I see there's that
oh
your
yes, yes,
Asia range.
yes, that's my
Okay.
Asia. So it's slightly below Asia.
Okay, Chad, I think that looks good.
Yeah, we'll keep on holding it.
In terms yeah, I don't know why I've got this blue line here. Previous daily high, obviously rejecting now. Again, 2360. I've got a weird feeling we're going to trade around here during NYSE. Hopefully we can get the trade from there, and maybe we can catch some pips there. Also, Shaq in the building again today. 3 p.m. sharp, we will start again. Rest of the market relatively muted. Nice early morning volume. Now going into a range. Remember, we have PMIs coming out a little bit later today. Also check the link there, Project G live, so you can go and check it out there. Website is now live officially, but the rest, even GBP USD in some type of a consolidation hold here.
Itty, that man is high on life, bro. That's why. That man is easily high on life.
Who's that?
Shaquille. So Etienne says Shaq must just talk a bit slower. He was te haastig gister.
Really? I thought he was talking.
Yeah, I also thought at first he talks fast, but then I realized that that's just how he talks.
No, I thought I can hear him. He's speaking a lot slower than he usually is. Like he consciously, like I just speak slow. Like I'm trying to pace my voice up.
Trevor Noah once said, don't talk fast, you listen slow. Obviously jokes, guys. Obviously jokes.
Mooi en duidelik. Ja, maar net Ierland rugby tempo. Okay. All right, Chad. Thanks so much. We've got I think it was a good session. JV giving you guys a nice taste there of some profits on oil.
Some black gold.
Some black gold. -6 pips for me on gold. Gave it a shot. Just been very elusive gold so far this week. Let's see if we can grab something later this afternoon. I do believe we are. 2360 on deck. US30 guys setting up for a big day. I'm telling you guys, US30 NASDAQ, big day on deck. Don't think it's going to be a slow day. It is going to be a big day. So you don't want to miss this afternoon session. It's going to be a volume day. So get ready to bag some pips on a Friday here. And again, thank you so much for joining. JV, thank you so much for holding the fort with me.
Always welcome.
Thank
Lovely
you
video.
for sticking it out here. Almost a 4-hour session, 3 hours, 10 minutes.
And if you guys did take the oil, send some results. Let's see how it went.
Chris, is it a good thing if your bias is bullish but you see a selling opportunity and take it? Champ, there are times when you can do that, but there's also times where it's not good.
Yeah, you don't want to
confuse yourself.
From my side, for instance, you don't want to flip, like you have your bias and you flip your bias and you just stop and it's like, but I knew, so rather it's best to sit it out. Remember, like I always say, FOMO can also be a form of discipline. Losing out even if you don't want to lose out.
There you have it, Chad. Peace and love, baby. We will see you guys 3 p.m. We are going to crash, let me not say crash the market. We're going to catch some pips.
We're going to move the market.
Did you say move the market?
Yes.
I'm happy with moving the market. So peace and love, baby. We will see you guys a little bit later.
Check your chat.
Peace.
feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
To fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night,
what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? And what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never, and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. Changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend of me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the gas. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna